We'll guide you through how to use CapCut templates. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on CapCut, and so you want to go and start using templates. Templates are a really cool way of making videos because with them, you can go and fill in the blanks essentially. So the editing, the music and the effects have already been chosen. And then what you can do is go and add in the photos and videos you want to. It can go and save so much time and it can make a really cool video because some of the edits are going to be quite advanced. And so what we can do is just go and add in our content and then we're going to have a great video at the end along with some really cool music. So make sure this full guide so you know what to do step by step. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and find different templates, how you can edit them and go and export them. And then what you can do is go and share them on platforms like TikTok and Instagram and other social platforms, and even just go and have them for your own use, as I think it's a great way of compiling an event together, a trip together, or something like that. So to go and get started, come into CapCut. And then what you need to do is go down to the bottom and you can find the option for templates. So CapCut have a really cool platform. Essentially, you can scroll through here and you can go and see different templates that are available. So you can go and find one you want, and then what you can do is go and press use template at the bottom and go and start using it. Or alternatively, what you can do is you can go to the top and press search. And what you can then do is go and type in what you want. So I could go and type in vlog, and we can then go find a cool template for a vlog. So you can then browse through here and go and find one you like the look of. Now at the bottom here, you can go and see the length and also the amount of content you need, which are photos or videos. So this would need 18 and you can scroll through here and go and see the different amounts, which is cool. So let's say I wanted to go and use this one here. I found one. What you then need to do is press use template at the bottom. And then what's going to happen is your gallery is going to go and open up. So what we can now do is start selecting media we want to go and use. At the bottom here, you can go and see the different lengths which are going to be required. So this first one will be 3.6 and you can scroll across and go and see them. So we're going to need 9 pieces of content here. So what you can do is go and start selecting it. You're going to be selecting in the order that it's then used. So make sure that the length is correct. And you're going to go and see you can tap it to use it multiple times. So I'm just going to remove it for now, as this first one needs to be 3.6 seconds. So I could use this one. This next one needs to be 1.9, so I could use this one. And you get the idea. Go through here and you can go and choose the different media you've got. As I said, you can still go and use repeats as well. So now I've pretty much got it all. I'll just go and use this one again, for example. And then what you can do is you can go and press next in the bottom right. And then it's going to go and show you the edit here. So you can go and see it's playing back and you can go and turn up the sound and you can go and hear what it's going to sound like. So you can go and watch it back and you can see here, you can still go and adjust the order here if you want to. At the bottom, you can go and press the clips to go and see them. You can press the audio and it's going to show you the current one. Of course, you can go and change it, but it's likely that it's got a good one, which is going to go and match like the timing, because often people go and make templates along with a track or a piece of music or media. And so it matches up well, which this does. And what you can also do is press text. And so you can go and watch this back. If I press play, and you're going to go and see we've got welcome, for example. So I could go and tap that there and I can then go and tap on it and I can go and change what it says. So I could say intro to my vlog or whatever you want. Then we can press the tick. And of course, before I press the tick, you can actually go and look at the different text presets. You can change the color, change the font, and you can change the alignment as well. Once you finish with the text, you can go and press the back button in the bottom left and that's it. So you've now gone and customized the template to your liking. Once again, you can still go and change things if you want to. And then when you're ready to go and save it, all you need to do is go and press export in the top right and you're going to get this pop up. So what you can do here is go and save and share it to TikTok without the CapCut watermark, or you can go and save it to your gallery and camera roll, which I'll click there. You will go and get the little template as well, but that's fine. Then it's going to go and be saved. So you can also still go and share it on TikTok here, by the way, as well, and other platforms as well. Now I'll just go and show you in my gallery. I'll come and open up my photos and there it is. We can then go and see it there, as you can see. So then you can play it back and you can go and share it where you want to. So in this case, I'm going to return and we can then go and start using other templates as well, as you may go and find a different one you go and like. And you can keep scrolling down and finding more as well. For example, this one's pretty cool. I could go and press use template. You can see this is a bit longer and there's space for longer clips. So you can go through here and keep making more. And that's it. And of course, this was just a vlog, but you may go and have something else you want to do. For example, I could go and type in football edit and you can go and make a football edit, a rapper edit. You go and get the idea. But also, if you just press back in the top left, you can still go and scroll through here and browse different ones. Like this one's pretty cool, the Minecraft option. So you go and get the idea. And then that's it. Press use template, select your media, and go through as you already have done. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Have a great day.